brought back Live Automation's lifetime deal, which is just $149 for the next 24 hours. And this is the best dispute letter app. Now, I had over 200 people reach out to me and ask for a one-time exception, pretty please, with a cherry on top, but I can't just make an exception for one person, it's for everybody. So that's what we're doing. You have 24 hours, links are down in the description. This is so easy to use. All you do is choose your letter, takes 2 seconds, import your report, takes 5 seconds, add your accounts, takes 30 seconds, and that's it. There's so many different features. Let's just look at the built-in macro recorder. You can literally create your own tools just by recording your screen. This is the only app that has eOscar code dispute letters. You can include the actual inaccuracies or violations, and you can choose them without having to know what you're even looking at. All you do is choose what you're disputing on the count, like date last paid or date last active or the balance, and it's going to show you whether it's inaccurate or not. You can even create dispute letters manually or by importing your credit reports with Identity IQ or Smart Credit. And I'm considering My Score IQ. This is something that you are already using. You already use Google Sheets, okay? It's literally built on a simple spreadsheet, and you can automate and integrate virtually anything. There's over 4,000 native integrations and hundreds of thousands of different automations that you can use. If it has an API, you can automate, okay? And it's called Live Automation because it is built with our members. Now, another thing is that there's member loyalty. If, when you first sign up, you're a new user, but as you actively engage and you can, do feature requests, you can become a beta user, and I can actually create those features for you. Speaking of features, let's go check them out. So one of the things is that we have data dashboards coming. So let's say that you're working on a client. Now you can see their stats at a glance, and that's going to be in one of the next 3 versions. As I mentioned, we have a built-in macro recorder. If you don't know how to code, that's not a problem. You can easily record your actions on screen, and you can forget about those repeated tasks that you need to do. Now, as far as letters go, it's pretty simple. You can add unlimited letters, and it's one click. You can spend less time on selection and more on results. You can choose from 80 built-in letters so that you don't have to waste time creating your own. You can even back it up with, different things that you want to say, or you can just 100% use your own letter. It's completely up to you. You can even use a letter spinner so that it's 100% authentic. As I mentioned, you can add unlimited letters. Virtually 100% of credit repair software and dispute letter apps require you to enter a new screen, add a letter, name it, save it, and then repeat the process. Not with Live Automation. You can quickly add a name, paste the text, and hit enter and do it again. There's nothing about this app that takes time. You can also auto create your letters. That is one of the features that is coming. The way that it works is that you will automatically create your disputes just by adding or importing your accounts in your report. Step number 1 is to import your report or manually add your accounts. Step number 2, dispute letters are automatically created based on the type of accounts. And we also have a full CRM that I am building out, so this can be used for multiple people. So Live Automation was created as a do-it-yourself app, not anymore. Okay, so you will be able to add a client and easily select their account to work on. And this is the only app that includes eOscar code dispute letters. We're going to leverage the credit bureau's codes. So each dispute is converted into a 2 to 3 digit code, and we're using them to get faster results because we're using it against them. All right. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about when you see the actual dispute. It's literally going to include the code, and we're forcing them to use our code that we want them to. Okay. Now, this also includes a letter spinner for eOscar. So the app includes a text spinner to ensure 100% uniqueness of your disputes. And we're leveraging Chat GPT to auto spin your text. This will also have exhibits. You see, why do we want to tell them when we can actually show them? So you will automatically receive an exhibits page to include with your dispute to prove inaccuracy and or violation. It's literally going to take a screenshot of it. And we have a new accounts page. So it's going to allow you to choose to highlight your negative accounts, select the accounts to dispute, view payment status, and more. And this app is literally going to save you hundreds of hours per year and thousands of dollars, especially when you get it right now for just $149. So to create a letter, it's only 3 steps. Add your personal info, choose a letter, and add your accounts, and print. 1-click print, 1-click preview. Preview your letter at any time. So to add your accounts, you can do this manually or by importing a report. Step number 1 is to add your accounts. Step number 2, select what you want to dispute. And step number 3, add your reasons. You will also have automatic tracking. So soon you will be able to track your disputes and know exactly when the next letter is due to be sent out or worked on. And this way you are never going to fall behind. The payment did go from $49 per month down to $39 per month. And you can actually see this on the sales page that it says $39 per month right here. $39 delivered once per month. However, again, for the next 24 hours, it is just $149, and you can get it for either $129 or for $110 if you use the alternate payment options that you will see listed down in the description. But this is super straightforward. If you wait until after 24 hours, it will be $39 per month. And there's nothing wrong with that because it's worth way more than that. But I'm giving you one last chance. All right. Here's some of the other features. Creditor collector disputes, those are coming. Dispute tracking with copies, that is also coming. Trading center to learn how to dispute, that is also coming. Live sessions, client portals, automatic notifications, and client dashboards. All of those are coming. So if you want to get in on this, the best dispute letter app, credit repair software on the market, then this is your last chance to get it for $149. Check out the description.